shoot was planned by the Northwest Practical Shooting Association. We started planning in the year 2014. We had a dream. I had a dream. I had a dream when I built this range to host the World Shoot here. And we started all the hard work in 2014. We went to France, where South Africa came third in the voting, and Thailand won the bid. In Thailand, we went to the General Assembly, and there South Africa won the bid. We had a beautiful presentation and we won the bid. Since then, it's been a very hard slog to get to where we are. But here we are at World Shoot 20. World Shoot 20 is the culmination of a dream of me, of John Lepellis, my match director, who without, I would have never managed to do this. He's the hardest working man I've ever seen. I want to thank him. I want to thank the Northwest Practical Shooting Committee. And I want to thank all the staff at Frontier Metal Processing, Frontier Bullets as you know it, for this wonderful, wonderful match that has been presented here. At the moment, it is the largest IPSC match that has ever been shot in the world, exceeding 1,764 shooters.
Yeah, every scar's a story I carry inside. Every fall just taught me how to rise. I've been down, but I never gave in. Pain made me strong, but now I play to win. I face the dark, I walk through the flames. The struggle's real, but I own my name. This is my time, my moment to shine. I take what's mine.
My naam is Madeleine Miller. Ons is by die 2025 IPSC Pistool Wêreldkampioenskappe. Ek is deel van die Protea span, gekies vir die Production Optics Ladies. So ons span het vandag teen al die ander gekompeteer en dit was 'n baie goeie dag en ons is trots op ons performance vir hierdie dag. So ek kan nie wag vir die res van die week nie.
Wrong, turned every wound into a battle song. Limits exist just to break apart. I built an empire from a broken heart. No fear now, the war's begun. I won't stop till the crown is won. Through blood and pain, I found my way.
Hi, my name is Martin Kamenicek. I'm from Czech Republic. I am CZ professional shooter and I'm here for shooting World Championship. The competition here is really very nice, very challenging, very fast, and I'm really enjoying the stay in South Africa. I'm shooting the CZ Shadow 2 Optic Ready and my gun is really perfect, reliable and very, very accurate.
Hello everybody, my name is Bilal Daouk. I'm 40 years old. I'm shooting for Germany in the standard overall team. I'm shooting IPSC since 5 years. I'm very passionate. I have my brothers also with me and we have a junior coming up now. I must say thank you for everyone, for the organizer, for the IPSC, the whole community. It's my first time in South Africa. I'm enjoying the shooting. Stages are very dynamic, very powerful. So there's a lot of shooting here and a lot of good shooters. And I must say I'm very pleased and thankful for everything what the community does for us. I wish all the shooters the best and for us all. In many years to come, all the best to everyone.
My name is Leibran Swart. I come from Bethlehem in the Free State, South Africa. I compete in the production division with my CZ Shadow 2. I had the privilege to be part of the South African production team, and I finished overall 5th in my category, production juniors. I just want to give a big thank you to CZ for making sure that my gun is always up to spec and all those things.
Hello guys, I'm Robin Grauffel. I'm from French. We are here at the CZ booth in World Shoot 2025. So we just won the title in junior, your Dash and Optics actually, with the CZ Shadow 2 optic ready, and I'm using also shield sights.
So hello everyone, it's great to be here in South Africa for the World Shoot 2025. It was very successful for the team. We as the CZ are very happy that the team performed well. We of course congratulate Eric and thank him for a great representation this year, winning his 10th title overall in his career. We also congratulate his son, Robin Grauffel, winning junior category in the production optics division. And we also would like to congratulate everybody and thank everybody using the CZ. We are so happy that so many shooters made the choice to use the Shadow 2 or TS2 as their gun of choice for the IPSC, so that's great.
Thank you very much. I'm feeling good. Mission accomplished, as we say. So yeah, can't complain. For this World Shoot, I was using the Shadow 2 Orange Optic Ready. So basically, it's a regular Shadow 2 with the barrel bushing version of it. Optic Ready, using an RTS3 and all tune-up. So this version is actually a Cerakoted version that I wanted, just to have a little bit different than a black, regular black color. And all the rest is like, everything has been tuned by my gunsmith. So trigger, polished, everything set up so that the trigger pull is just nice and crisp. Heavy grips, I'm using brass grips on the bottom just for having a little bit more weight on the backside. It helps actually for me controlling the gun slightly better. Definitely the competition was well organized. I mean, the timing was simple for the shooters. We just come here, shoot 6 stages a day for 2.5 hours, and then off we go. You know, you can just go and rest. The very early shift in the morning, like 6:30 first shot, is not very convenient. So we need to wake up somewhere around 4:30 in the morning, you know, make a breakfast, but usually at that time you're not really very hungry, so it's not that simple. But other than that, yeah, it's the organization is fantastic. But in December, we're organizing our own level 3 match in the academy. So that will be my next, let's say, competition. So basically in my backyard. The EGCC Academy is based in France, on the West Coast. And it's a shooting range, fully indoor facility where we have like 5 huge bays, We're today about 500 members into the academy, and we have a lot of international shooters coming for lessons, courses, and trainings. And also they come to the matches, so it's becoming popular. It takes a little bit of time, but people like to come there.